Hey everyone, welcome back to Game Room Theater. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Dangbei DBOX02. This is formerly known as the Mars Pro 2, and this is the world's first Google TV 4K laser projector with licensed Netflix. And we're going to explore its features, compare it with other projectors in its price range, and see if it's the right choice for you. So let's get started. By the way, guys, this is one of the nicest packaging I've ever seen on any projector that I've ever reviewed. Anyway, let's talk about some of the highlights and key design and features here. So the Dangbei DBOX02 boasts 2450 ISO lumens, ensuring bright and clear images day or night, and it supports 4K UHD resolution, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG formats, delivering stunning picture quality. Plus, it features ALPD laser technology for realistic colors without speckles or color fringing. Now, I've looked at lots of other lifestyle projectors. That's kind of the category that this is in. But look how majestic this thing looks. You know, it's all nice and shiny. I really, really like the look of it. Just don't try to handle it too much. It is a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, all the glossy finishes on all the sides. And it's also a extreme dust magnet. And here's what you get in the box. You get the remote, you get the power adapter, a nice cloth to wipe out all those fingerprints that I was just talking about, the manual, warranty card, etc. So connectivity wise, you get a couple of USB ports, an HDMI 2.1 port. Although it accepts it, keep in mind it won't do 4K 120 frames per second. Also, you get another HDMI eARC port, LAN 3.5mm audio port, along with SPDIF. Now, as for wireless connections, you do get fast Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth for soundbars, headphones, etc. So do check out my previous review video of the Dangbei Atom. This is the smaller sibling, and it is my absolute go-to for a small form factor projector. All right, I know you guys have been patiently waiting what the image quality looks like, so without further ado, let's check that out. And how impressive is that, guys? Just wow. Now, as for where I've installed it, guys, there's a reason why it's sitting in the middle of my second row. This is not a long throw projector. This is still what I would classify as short throw. It's got a throw ratio of 1.27 to 1. It does support an image size as small as 60 inches to 200 inches. But, you know, I'd recommend a range of 80 to 120 inches. 120, especially if you're in a darkened room. And guys, there's lots of features with autofocus and keystone adjustment. Projector also includes intelligent screen fit and obstacle avoidance, and it basically makes the entire setup a breeze. And guys, my OCD kicks in. Not every situation is going to allow for perfect placement, but try to avoid installing it too much into the side and having to do correction, because that will cause a resolution loss and a quality loss. As for the remote, you get some basic features, but the nifty thing is on the side, you want to do some autofocus or bring up the menu to adjust picture quality, you can just by hitting those buttons on the side. Now, as for audio quality, the Dangbei DBOX02 is pretty impressive, and that's thanks to its dual 12-watt speakers and its compatibility with Dolby Audio and DTS sound as well. And this basically ensures an immersive audio experience whether you're watching movies or playing games. So it's great as a portable or mobile projector. Now, as for picture settings, under brightness, you've got standard, echo, auto, and high performance. High performance obviously will be the brightest, but it does come at the expense of sound. And by the way, this projector is packed with smart features, and I love it when these projectors are inclusive of Google TV and licensed Netflix, and gives you access to over 700,000 movies and TV shows, etc. It supports major streaming services like YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Hulu. And you can also enjoy a personalized experience with multiple user profiles. So while some videos playing in the background, let's compare the Dangbei DBOX02 with other projectors in its price range, like the Epson Home Cinema 5050 UB and the BenQ HD 3550. The Dangbei stands out with its higher brightness of 2450 ISO lumens compared to the 5050's UB's 2600 ANSI lumens and the HD 3550's 2000 ANSI lumens. While all three support 4K UHD, the Dangbei's advanced ALPD laser technology and the intelligent features give it an edge in user friendliness and picture quality. So one area I did have a little bit of an issue with is the high black floor due to the 600:1 contrast ratio, and that's why, as a consequence, it doesn't go fully black. However, with the high brightness that it's got, it kind of compensates and your eyes get used to it. So lots of pop, lots of almost 3D-like effects. And guys, this is also another pixel shifter, but I don't go into detail and depth because I've got a native 4K projector sitting in this room and I really can't see the difference. So don't let that hold you back. So this projector is excellent for gaming, especially sports games like this. But first-person shooters, it's just too large. Your eyes are gonna have to travel a lot more, and it does have a little bit of latency. So, you may have some crappier KD ratios, but for simulations such as this, very, very immersive, extremely responsive, and definitely very playable. So this projector is also eco-friendly with a 30,000 hour laser light lifespan, which is 10 times that of a traditional lamp source. And it consumes 73% less power, making it more of a sustainable choice. And then the other benefit really is the fact that the picture quality or the brightness doesn't degrade as rapidly as lamp-based. It'll stay sustained at a certain level brightness for a longer period of time. So guys, to recap, in conclusion, the Dangbei DBOX02 is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high quality, versatile projector. With its incredible brightness, its stunning 4K and UHD resolution, smart features, and eco-friendly design, it does offer excellent value for its price. So if you're in the market for a new projector, this one should definitely be on your radar. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the Dangbei DBOX02, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to share that with you. And please stay tuned for a lot more projector reviews coming up. I've got about 3 more in the wings. Anyway guys, see you next time. Thanks for watching.